Now,
I'm fine, sir.
please introduce yourself,
D24 12 79.
your age,
I'm 35 years old.
marital status,
I am single, but I have 4 kids with my live-in partner.
how old are the kids,
They are 15 years old, 9 years old, 8 years old, and 3 years old.
your educational background,
I'm high school graduate.
do you have working experience as a helper,
Yes, sir.
where,
Here in the Philippines.
for how many years,
For 2 years, sir.
how many members of the family,
They are 4 members in the family.
how many children,
2 children.
how old are they,
They are 5 years old and 4 years old.
your household duties,
Are cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and cooking, and taking care the children.
do you know how to cook Chinese food,
Yes, sir.
what kind of Chinese food,
Basic, sir. Basic Chinese food. Like steamed fish and stir-fry vegetables.
do you know how to teach the children,
Yes, sir.
what kind of subject,
English and math, sir.
why did you intend to work in Hong Kong,
To help my family and for the future of my children.
are you sure you can finish your contract,
Yes, sir.
willing to take the day off schedule by your employer,
Yes, sir.
if somebody wants to enter in your employer's house, what will you do,
I will call first my employer.
in taking care of member of the house, which one you like the most,
Children, sir.
why,
Because they can say what they want and they don't want, sir.
are you afraid of dogs,
Yes, sir.
message to your future employer,
To my future employer, please hire me because I am hardworking, trustworthy, I am responsible, caring to the children.
love their family as if your own,
Yes, sir.
follow all of their instructions,
Yes, sir.
do you have any nursery rhyme,
Yes, sir.
sing it,
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
thank you and good luck.
Thank you very much, ma'am and sir. See you soon. Bye.